urgent. I want you to close your eyes for exactly 3 seconds and imagine you are falling off a skyscraper. That sudden, hollow drop in your chest is a universal sensation. It's the exact jolt of panic that can hit you the moment you begin to drift off to sleep. You might recognize a similar interruption during the day. You're mid-conversation when a common word suddenly vanishes, leaving your speech on a permanent loading screen. These interruptions often feel like evidence of aging hardware or a system that is beginning to lose its efficiency. But we need to look at the diagnostic data differently. These physical events may actually be highly specialized survival protocols executing exactly as intended. Examining the mechanics behind these glitches reveals a suite of extreme built-in protective measures. As you prepare for sleep, your brain initiates a systematic power-down sequence, transitioning the nervous system into a resting state. This is when the hypnic jerk occurs, a sudden, violent muscle contraction that snaps you back to full consciousness. The process begins when your physical body relaxes and your resting heart rate drops significantly in a short window of time. Your internal survival monitoring system occasionally misinterprets this rapid decline in heart rate as a sign that your vital functions are failing entirely. In response to this perceived life threat, the brain fires a high-voltage electrical pulse through the nervous system to jumpstart the body. This surge triggers an immediate full-body muscular contraction, physically forcing you awake to ensure the system remains online. This intense wake-up call is the result of a highly sensitive internal alarm misreading the physical signals of deep relaxation. A different mechanism triggers the mid-conversation freeze, where a specific word seems to be deleted from your active memory. While it feels like your mind has gone blank, your memory retrieval system is actually doing the opposite of forgetting. Your brain is currently sorting through a dense web of similar concepts and related terms, cross-referencing thousands of data points to find the exact match. This high-speed search creates a temporary data bottleneck. The brain holds the output of the speech centers while it resolves the conflict between multiple competing files. This is a high-stakes latency period. The system pauses the current task because it is prioritizing the accuracy of the data over the speed of the delivery. That verbal buffering is the outward symptom of an extremely active, high-fidelity sorting process. Once we understand these mechanics, we can reclassify these perceived errors as specialized protective features. The verbal buffer acts as a quality control filter, pausing the system to ensure that your output remains precise, even when the processor is under heavy load. The hypnic jerk functions as a hair-trigger safety protocol. Your software is designed to accept the physiological cost of a false alarm to guarantee it never misses a genuine biological threat. This is the result of millions of years of evolutionary math. It is safer for the system to overreact and survive than to underreact and fail. These automated responses show a biological machine built for high-stakes persistence and constant self-preservation. The next time you experience a bodily glitch, you are seeing the proof of an advanced technology working behind the scenes to keep you alive.